Hiya Pirates, here we are talking a little bit about entropy. Remember, entropy is chaos. It is disorder, which is kind of weird because normally we like to look at things in terms of order, but entropy actually looks at the world in terms of chaos or disorder. So remember that generally speaking, for entropy, the entropy of solids is usually less than the entropy of a liquid, is usually less than the entropy of aqueous, and is usually less than the entropy of a gas that is there. So gases usually have the most entropy. Also remember that entropy is directly proportional to the temperature. So as the temperature goes up, the entropy goes up. And also remember that the entropy is directly proportional to the complexity of the molecule. Molecules that are more complex and have more chances for chaos and are larger have a greater amount of disorder that is there. So the most important aspect of this is the state of matter, though: solid, liquid, aqueous, or gas. And again, without any values having to look up, you can probably make some pretty good guesstimations about some things if you just count the gases that are there. So this guy is going from some solids directly over here to some solids and 3 gases. So I've got 3 gases over here on the right-hand side. Again, 3 moles of gases. 3 moles of gases over here on the right-hand side, and I got none over here on the left-hand side. So we're probably talking about an increase of chaos simply from the fact that gases tend to have more entropy than liquids or solids. So that one here is an increase of the chaos. And again, if you're talking about delta S is positive, or again, delta S here is greater than 0 or positive. You are talking about an increase in the chaos. So if you have a positive delta S, then you are increasing your chaos. So yes, number 1 definitely does. That one shows an increase in the chaos. Well, what about number 2? Everything is a gas here. Yeah, but you've got 1 and 3 is you got 4 moles of gas over here, and you're going to go down to only 2 moles of gas over here. Sure, this is a little bit more complex than either of these guys over on the left, but if you're going to go from 4 moles of gas down to 2 moles of gas, you are definitely going to lose chaos in this process. And if you lose chaos, now you're talking about delta S being less than 0 or negative. Here you see a decrease of chaos, or a decrease in the entropy. So this one says, which of the following should show a positive delta S? Only number 1 and not number 2.